Oh, empty fridge day. Don't panic. Today we are taking a basic tomatoes and turning them into lip-smacking, tongue-twisting tomato Gujju. It's the iconic South Indian sweet, spicy and tangy tomato curry from Karnataka. It requires zero fancy ingredients and goes perfectly with dosa, chapathi or rice. Watch till the end to see the special secret masala that completely elevates this dish. Let's cook. To begin with, add some oil and mustard seeds. Let it get fried for a while, and then let's add this curry leaves. Our chef is in a creative mode today, so doing all sorts of creativity with the curry leaves. Good, let it happen. And let's add the chopped onion. Here, for the tomato goju, onion and tomato should be in the ratio of say 1:3. When I say 1:3, 1 is the onion and the 3 is the tomato. Take good red tomatoes, bigger ones, and then cut them into any sort of pieces. You can use fruit ninja style to make it any shape. It doesn't matter because ultimately it's going to get smashed in our spicy tangy gochu. Now let's add the rock salt as per the taste and leave it for it to cook for a while. How long it has to cook? Yes, you will know that once it becomes kind of juicy. And then later let's add red chili powder of say 3 spoons and 3 spoons of coriander powder, and then let's add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well, and then let's leave it to cook by closing with a plate so that our juice doesn't get evaporated and it doesn't become dry. We should have our juice bit of a spicy, yummy, slimy, right? So that's the reason. Mix it well. Now add some water and let's cover it up. Leave it to cook for say 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, this is how it looks, the finishing of a tomato goju. Do you know this tastes very good with chapati or even with rice, but with rice you should have with a hot freshly cooked rice, so it tastes really very good. Along with that you can have some side dishes, anything. It can be on for a non-vegetarian egg, or for a vegetarian it can be in a papad. It gives in a good combination. Yeah, now let's finish this tomato goju with a bit of a topping. You just saw that we added a grated coconut, and this is the secret. What I'm going to add is 1 spoon of sugar. You can add if required jaggery also. And I hope you have liked this. Thank you for watching. So